Hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. All I have to do is to take out your statement, the basis of filing a case of subornation.
Our
of privilege.
transcript of records will be available to anyone who will request, Mr. President. Okay, Committee Secretary. A transcript natin available to everyone. Okay, so anybody?
Your Honor.
Senator Risa? Can we...
Your Honor,
What is it about, ma'am?
about subordination of perjury.
We all know about the theory
I
about
just wanted to
subordination.
say na ganun din po ang ginawa nila.
Okay.
Subordination of perjury.
Sige po. Thank you. Thank you. Senator Risa Ontiveros is recognized.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. So, bago po magsimula, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa ating lahat na seryosong usapin ito. At tiwala ako sa chair ng subcom na seryoso